Hello everyone, please welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you another DIY project, how to change the burn fuse bulb in your oven. I will show you is how easy you can do it yourself. I already taken out the fuse bulb from the oven. Now let me close it. Right now we don't see anything. The oven is dark and this is the oven light. If I turn the oven light, you can see as I open it, I'll show you now. I'll turn it on. As you can see, the oven bulb is right there. And one bulb is right on the other side. So that one is burned. I'll turn this light off so it will cool down. And as you can see, this is the burn fuse bulb. You can see the filament is broken off. The bulb, I bought it from Home Depot, and this is the two set. So at this moment, as you see, one is burned and another one is okay. Show you one more time. As you see, it turns on. You grab it and you turn it anti-clockwise and it opens up. So I'm going to turn it off so that the bulb can cool down before you touch it. Also, depending on your oven, some has one bulb and some has two. If you're in this scenario, like GE Monogram has two bulb, I would suggest if one burned out, the other one is okay, you take it out, both of them. You replace with new ones. Don't discard the good one you took it out. You keep it in a safe place. Anytime one goes bad, then you always can replace it. I'll close it again, and as the bulb cool down, you don't need any special tool. You just pull it. It's still warm. These are the new bulbs, and it's always good idea that you don't touch with your bare hands. With the new one, as I mentioned, that when you're going to put the new bulbs, try to avoid wear gloves. So we're going to put it right inside. As you can see, the slot. Once it goes inside, you just press it like this. And I will show you, I will turn it on. And as you can see, that's the second one. So I'll turn it off. I'll place the second one inside. I don't know if you can see the holes right inside. Those are the holes and that's a cutout. So when we're going to put it in, you don't have to worry about the holes because the cutout is big. That is like a guide pin. So the bulb goes into the slot and then you just press it. And let me turn it on. And as you can see, both nice and bright. So before you put it on, make sure that you clean them up. So now we're going to place it right on top of it, just like this. And then rotate it. And that's it. This is the bad and this is the good bulb. So I'm going to keep the good bulb and I'm going to discard this one. It's a beautiful light. Now I close it, and as you can see, when you're cooking something, you can see everything inside clear. So that's how it's easy and simple. You can change your home light bulb yourself. And thank you for watching. I hope this video will bring a smile on your face. And if you like this video, like always, like, share and subscribe to my channel. And I have another channel, Easy Steps Cooking, for delicious cooking. Please check it out. Thank you. Bye-bye.